Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to reset your password if you've forgotten your password during login into your German-American bank account. Before beginning, if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another future updates from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar at the top, type in German-American Bank Login and enter. From the search results displayed on the next page, click on this first link. Now, as soon as you reach to this home page of German American Bank, go ahead and enter your user ID inside the online banking tab. If you've forgotten your user ID as well, you can click on this Forgot User ID or Password link and look for it. If you happen to remember your password during the process, type it into the Enter Password text field. But if you don't, click on this link that says Forgot User ID or Password. On the next page, you'll need to provide some of your information. Select your country code from the drop down and then type in your phone number. Once you do that, head over to the next field and type in your username. Make sure to provide the correct phone number that has already been added to your account. Finally, after typing in your phone number and your username, click on Send me a new password and you'll be able to receive a new password right away. That is how you'll be able to reset your password to a new one even if you've forgotten your login details while logging into your bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.